Hey guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday and we are going to be doing our side hustle income for the end of August. So this month we had 3 sources of income and I'm going to break it down with you guys, and we're going to stuff taxes, we're going to stuff our sinking funds, which you can see right there. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Shirley, or Thrifty Asian, whichever one you want to call me. I do these videos, well, I do the side hustle income at the end of the month, but I also do some money challenges. We go over my budget for every 2 weeks whenever we get paid, and then we sprinkle in some vlogs and whatever other videos we would like to put in here. So if any of that interests you, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my family. All right, you guys. So before we get started, something very exciting happened while I was at work. I was so excited. So I got an email from eBay and they said that I was a top rated seller. And I was so excited. It says, congratulations, you're the top rated seller. And I never thought I could reach that. And I really didn't think I was selling that much, which I was selling that much, but I wasn't selling like high-end items. But when I got that email, I was super excited because it was like a lot of hard work that's paid off of me, you know, going every Saturday, going thrifting, going to the Goodwill, going to yard sales and everything. So I was super excited about that, and I was just really proud of myself. But enough about me. I just wanted to let y'all know some good news that happened this week. All right, so first off, we have our 3 incomes. So we have eBay, YouTube, and Mercari. Now, eBay, and we made $177. YouTube, we made $106, which I don't get paid a lot for YouTube, and I don't even get paid every single month for YouTube, which is totally fine because I love just documenting my life. I love doing these videos with you guys, and I love helping people. So it's really not about me getting monetized and, you know, making a ton of money and everything, because I'm really not. As you can see, I make $106, and the last time I got paid was probably back in March or so, which is totally fine with me. But it's always a really nice surprise whenever I reach that $100 threshold on YouTube. So then I can get paid, and, you know, that's just something that I look forward to. Whether it's every month or if it's going to be every 6 months, I am totally fine. All right, and then Mercari, I didn't really sell anything like that. I didn't really post anything because I do cross post between eBay and Mercari. Then I have to decide that if I want to promote my listing on eBay, so that does cost money every time something sells. So I have to figure out if I want to promote it on eBay or not promote it on eBay and then post it on eBay and Mercari. So that is the whole reason. So Mercari, I only made $100, which I'm actually filming this video right now, and I actually just made another sale, but that sale is going to go towards our September one. So you're going to have to wait till next month to see how much I make on Mercari next month. All right, so the income, and this is total profit. We are going to break it down on eBay. You know, shipping fee and everything else. So $177, that is the total profit that we actually did make. Plus $106 plus $11 equals $294. And that is how much we are actually going to be stuffing today. Now, as you can see, the $294, we do have to put taxes back because I am making a lot more over and past $600. So we always going to put back 20%. So that is $58.80. So we're just going to do $58, which is totally fine with me. So $294 minus 58. So that means we're going to have $236 to stuff for our sinking funds. Now, let's break it down with eBay just a little bit more. So we already know that our total profit is $177. Now, with shipping, which we're just going to add $177 to the calculator just to see how much we actually made before our total profit and before fees and shipping. So our shipping fee, which always I hate it. I hate the shipping. Shipping can be up and down. It fluctuates. Sometimes it's $3.58, and sometimes it's $10.90. It's just really just depends on the item. So shipping was $157.18. And then our ad fee was $20.26. So as you can see, that is a lot. So I'm not going to add the 0.26 or the 0.18, but if we add 157 plus 20, we have $354 is how much we made before shipping and before ad fees. Now, if none of that existed, $354 would be so awesome to make every single month. And I know I just have to push myself more and more to get that, because I know last month we did hit about 200, I think almost $300, or maybe it was like $200. Okay, it was around $200, maybe past $250. But this month on eBay we did go a little bit lower. I didn't really post a lot, which after this video I'm going to have to post some, because I need to make a sale. But anyways, so moving around along for our sinking funds, like I said, we have $294, and then we're subtracting $58 towards our taxes. Now we have $236 left. So eBay, I'm actually going to be putting $50. And that just means that I really do need to get some more bubble wrap. And then I was going to buy some fragile stickers, which I do sell a lot of glassware here lately. And I need to put one of the stickers on the boxes and everything, just in case if it's fragile, if it's a glass or anything. Because I did get my first return last week, and it was like a $25 like cute Disney ornament that it broke at the tip, and I was really sad. And like, you know, I got the pictures and everything, so I had to return $25, which sucks, but it was the right thing to do. So I'm going to get that. So I need bubble wrap, and I also need the fragile stickers. So that is I'm just going to put $50, and then whatever's left is what I am going to put towards, you know, the yard sales and the Goodwills. So moving on, debt is going to be getting $30, which, very excited. I know a lot of people have been talking about, you know, what Joe Biden has announced about the student forgiveness. So, you know, all of the websites were crashed. So I have like $20,000 in student loans, like $20,079, and I did pay off one student loan. So that was my balance right now. And I have been trying to get onto my Nelnet right now, because it is a student federal loan. And I finally got on, I think like a couple of days ago. And when I checked, it was $20,000. So whenever I checked again, it said that I had a balance of $0. It did. It said I had a balance of $0, and then my next due date was like the year. It was weird. The year was 0001. Like, how weird is that? So does that mean that all $20,000, I got all $20,000, and then I am like debt free for the student loans, or what? So, because they already have my information because of my taxes that I did last year. And then also I was paying taxes every single month, not taxes, but I was paying the debt every single month without the taxes being on there or the interest fee being on there. So I'm trying to wait until like everything settles down and actually sign into my account. And we're going to see if I have a balance of $0. If we do, then I'm definitely going to tell you guys, and then we'll do an update of the debt snowball, which it would be super excited. So prayers that I do get student forgiveness. And yeah, so let's move on, because I am very chatty today, you guys. All right, so vacation is going to be getting $100. And of course, that is going to be going towards our $3,000 Disney challenge. Now, Dobby is going to be getting $10 because we did have to use his money to get his little groomers. He had to get a haircut and wash, de-shed, because it was his birthday on Wednesday, which he's 2 years old. So his treat was to go to the groomers and get all handsome and everything and get a little bandana. Jared got him some toys and some treats for himself. So he was very spoiled that day. Savings is going to be getting $20, and then I added treat yourself. I was going to put the rest of the money in like renewals and home and all the other sinking funds that I've been doing, like putting like $1 every time I do the side hustle income. But I decided that I'm going to treat myself. I'm going to get me some coffee. I'm going to probably buy a book this weekend because I think there's a sale at Barnes & Noble's and I've been really getting back into reading. So I think I'm going to buy a book. And I think, like I said, there was a sale, but I'm going to buy a book. I'm going to get some coffee. And that is going to be $26. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to subtract everything to see if we have a zero base budget. And if not, then we'll figure it out. So yeah, so we have a zero base budget. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead and do this thing, you guys. All right, so here is all the money, and there has been like a lot of small bills, big bills, but we're going to, I'm just going to slide this aside, and we're just going to make it look all pretty and aesthetic. And there was one comment that was like, your bills, my OCD is kicking in. So I'm going to straighten it, you guys, just for you guys. So I don't want y'all's OCD to be kicked in. So we are just doing that. And then the dollar bills, I guess I'll look through it. And let's see. I hope y'all are having a good week, or had a good week, and y'all are preparing for this weekend. I have a couple of estate sales that I'm going to be going to. One is from a actual estate company that's doing it, and the other one is, I think the owners are doing it, so that would be really fun. All right, so everything is straight and ready. All right, so first off, we're going to be doing our taxes. So like I said, taxes is going to be getting $58. So that's 50. We're going to do 5, and then 6, 7, and 8. And let's see, 55, 6, 7, and 8. Then we're going to go ahead and count that. And I know we're going to have to go 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100 to get our 50 right, because I cannot count it. And yes, these are not all together, so your OCD will kick in whenever I'm counting this. So we have 100, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. We have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and 63. So $263 is how much we have in taxes so far. Moving on to debt, which debt and savings is going to be going into the I can't even say that word, so I'm not going to say it. So we have $30 for debt and $20 for savings. So it'll be $50, which we're going to go 20, 40, and 50. 20, 40, and 50. That's going to go towards debt and savings. Next is going to be vacation, and vacation is going to be coming out of our sinking funds. And vacation is going to be getting $100. We're going to go 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, and 100. Because I don't think I have 20, 40... Let's see. Yeah, we're going to have to use the 50. All right. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. All right, so let's put this all together. All right. So first off, we have the $1,500 that is in our bank already. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, plus we have $50 from the dollar challenge. So we have $2,600. So we have 1,500, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. I don't think I counted that right. Probably not. We're gonna recount it on the money challenge, I promise, guys. All right, so moving on towards Dobby, and Dobby is getting $10. So we're doing 5, 10. So we did then we haven't done $50 yet for eBay. So $50 is going to be going towards myself. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, I know this is totally out of order and y'all are probably like trying to keep up. I'm sorry. I am totally sorry. So this is for eBay. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So $50 is going to be going towards eBay. And then last but not least is going to be Treat Yourself. So Treat Yourself is going to be $26. So that's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So $26. Now, did I confuse you guys? So Vacation is supposed to have $2,600. And then Dobby has $10. So, but anyways, so that is it, you guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I'm so sorry if it was very, very, very confusing. Get this, comment, like, and subscribe if you like these videos. Comment if you think I should be more organized. Comment if you love these videos. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support, especially towards YouTube. Like I said, it's always a surprise. I don't really care about making money because I know it's going to take me a while to make money on YouTube every single month, but it's always a treat whenever I get it every 6 weeks, every 6 months. And then eBay, I'm going to push through. I am the one of the top rated sellers this month. So, or not this month, but maybe continue on my streak. But anyways, I love you guys and thank you so much for all of your love and support. And I will see you guys on Tuesday for a money challenge. Bye.